Hello and welcome to another basic Photoshop tutorial. In this video we're going to look at adding text to an image and certain ways of editing that text. So to simply add text, on the left hand column near the bottom about 2/3 of the way down you can see a T icon, this stands for text. You click on that and you can see options at the front on if before you even write the text, if there's a certain color you want to put it in or a certain size or any of that, but that's not actually that important to do before you start typing. So if we just put down a message and say hello world, let's say, you can see it's now nicely around there. Okay, so first of all, from here, when we've just got it selected, if you don't hold down any keys, but just use your mouse and drag from the corner, you can change it in very weird ways, such as this. But what you want to do is if you hold down Shift, it will keep everything exactly aligned. So holding down Shift is very important when it comes to this type of thing to make sure that everything stays looking really nice and neat. And then you need to apply that transformation to be able to do something else. So from here, what we can easily do is if we click on text again, you can see like it's got a line around it, around my cursor at the moment. This is to create a new bit of text, such as if we click it there, we can type something else in. But if you see when it hovers over the text, that like borderline goes away from it. That will essentially mean that you can edit that text. We can highlight this, and at the top here or at the bottom here, we can change it, let's say, to purple, and we've now got the text being purple. What you can also do is from this text, if you press Ctrl T, it allows you to edit it a lot more. This includes like how we had before, but we also can turn everything on its side. We can just edit things smaller. We can do a lot more things to it by holding down Alt. We can move it more like this, giving it some interesting effects to how it can work. So from here, what we can do is, once again, apply, highlight this. We can change the font to be whatever font we want it to be. Let's go with that, sure, why not? I didn't get the exclamation mark, but that doesn't really matter. Can easily change anything how we want it. What we can also do is double click on the layer, which will bring up the layer style. This gives us lots of options, such as we can add a texture to it and make it, I don't know, let's just mess around just quickly a little bit. You can throw lots of different effects on top of it. I'll go into how these effects work in another video, but just for the sake of example, you can throw all that in, then you can make it bigger and have it stand out somewhere. And it's very simple to add text and put effects onto it and everything. You can use the options that appear at the top here to change the size of the font, the alignment, if you want it aligned to the left, aligned to the right, be centered. If you want to create warp text, however you want to do it, you have full options to doing it. I won't go into making it 3D in this video, I'll go into that into another video, but those are the basics of adding text to a document. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.